Save on Clouds is our brand new cloud optimization platform from Tidal Migrations. If it's your first time using Save on Clouds, I thought I'd give you a bit of a tour and show you how it works. So firstly, you head to the Cloud Accounts page, and this is where you can set up your Amazon Web Services, Azure, and Google Cloud Platform accounts with Save on Clouds. After you've got your accounts connected, you head to the Cloud Resources page, and you can see your virtual machines from all of these platforms listed out here. As you can see, it's easy to stop and start these resources on demand, and where the real savings comes in is when you create schedules for these resources. You can do that from the Schedules page over here, and just demonstrating using this schedule, say that you have a group of resources that only need to be switched on during working hours. It's easy to select the hours that you need the resources to be on, choose a time zone, and hit save. From here, you can head back to the Cloud Resources page and assign a resource to the schedule that you just created. Now, to see exactly what's going on, you can connect Save on Clouds to your team's notifications channels. These integrations will allow you to receive alerts when instances change state. And finally, if you head to the Reports page, which is where we started, you can keep track of just how much Save on Clouds is saving you. Save on Clouds is free to use, so take it for a spin and start saving on your AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud Platform resources today.